In this video, we're going to show you how to make DIY Christmas bells out of simple household items, toilet paper rolls, and plastic Easter eggs. You'll be surprised how easy it is and how beautiful your finished bells will be. First, you'll start by taking your empty toilet paper roll and cutting it in half. Then you'll mark about a 1/4 inch mark and cut that little strip off as well. If you want to see even more DIY Christmas ideas after this video, tap the link below to watch our Christmas playlist. Then take your hot glue gun and run a bead along the inside of the toilet paper roll. Then place the bottom half of the Easter egg into the toilet paper roll and allow the glue to dry. We also ran a bead of hot glue on the outside of the toilet paper roll where the Easter egg is connected, not only to secure it a little bit better, but to add a little bit more detail to these DIY bells. Then repeat and add a bead of glue around the bottom edge of the toilet paper roll. Now take that 1/4 inch strip of toilet paper roll and cut it in half. Once the hot glue has dried, you'll give everything a coat of black chalk paint. You'll also want to paint inside the toilet paper roll about 1 inch up, just to make these bells look a little bit more realistic. And you may need to do 2 coats of chalk paint, just depending how opaque your first coat turns out to be. You can also apply the paint in a dabbing motion. This will just help give it a little bit of texture, creating that aged effect. To make the tongue of the bell, we're going to use these slim sticks, and they turned out perfect. So you're just going to apply that black chalk paint on those as well. This next step is where these bells are really going to come to life as we add the antique gold rub and buff. It doesn't take much. You can see here just a little dollop on the plate. You'll get your paintbrush and just start painting over that black. And once the entire surface of the bell is covered in the rub and buff, you'll just allow it to dry for about 1 to 2 minutes. Then take a napkin or a paper towel and just gently rub the painted surface. This is going to bring out that sheen in the gold. Then repeat on both sides of that little strip that you'd painted black. Now place the tongue inside the bell to mark how long you'll want to trim it. We left ours hang out about a 1/4 inch. Then add a big dollop of hot glue at the very bottom of the bell and secure the tongue into place and hold it in there while it dries. Now create a small loop with that 1/4 inch strip of paper and secure it together with hot glue. Then add more hot glue to the bottom of the loop and press it into place on the top of the bell. After the glue has cooled down and is dry, you can insert a chunky piece of rope to add that vintage character. Fold the rope back onto itself, forming a small loop, and then wrap the ends with a smaller piece of jute and tie it off. Trim the edges of your jute and you are finished. It really is that simple to make. So we ended up making several small little bells to decorate the mantle, and they would also be gorgeous on a wreath or other areas of your home. So are you going to give this a try this Christmas? It's a really nice last minute decor idea because they are so quick to make. Be sure to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any of our weekly videos, and check out that Christmas playlist for even more budget-friendly DIY ideas. Thanks so much for watching. We hope you enjoyed this video, and as always here at Sunnyside Design, we hope to bring your home to the sunny side of the street.